Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Victory 8-ball pool. First, ensure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance. After installation, open the app and connect to a stable internet connection. Take a moment to explore the main menu and adjust any settings like sound or vibration to your preference. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless and enjoyable gaming experience right from the start. Once you're set up, focus on mastering your shots. Easy Victory provides an extended aim line, which is a huge advantage for predicting where your cue ball and object ball will go. Pay close attention to the power meter. A gentle tap versus a full force strike makes all the difference. Experiment with various shot angles and power levels in practice mode to truly understand the physics and improve your precision. Beyond basic aiming, strategic thinking is key to consistent wins. Always try to plan 2 or 3 shots in advance, considering where your cue ball will land. Using spin on the cue ball is a powerful tool for controlling its movement after impact, allowing you to set up your next shot perfectly. Don't shy away from bank shots. They are essential for pocketing balls that are otherwise unreachable or for getting out of tricky situations. To keep your Easy Victory experience smooth, remember to perform some basic maintenance. Regularly clearing your device's cache can prevent lag and ensure the app runs efficiently. Always update the app when new versions are released. These often include important bug fixes and new features that enhance your gameplay. And hey, while you're optimizing your game, why not optimize your ride? Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.